বেসিক স্পিকিং এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা অনেক সময় কথা বলতে গেলে হেজিটেট ফিল করি। আজকে আমরা কিছু কোশ্চেন এন্ড আনসার শিখব, যেটা আপনার বেসিক এবং আইএলটিএস এর স্পিকিং পার্ট 1 এর জন্য হেল্প করবে। সুতরাং আপনি কোশ্চেনগুলো শুনবেন এবং আমাদের সাথে বলে বলে প্র্যাকটিস করার ট্রাই করবেন। তাহলে দেখবেন আপনার আস্তে আস্তে ফ্লুয়েন্সি বাড়ছে এবং কিভাবে এই কথাগুলোর আনসার দিতে হয় সেটাও আপনি বুঝতে পারছেন। সো ভিডিওটি পুরোপুরি দেখতে হবে, তাহলে আপনি এখান থেকে ম্যাক্সিমাম বেনিফিট নিতে পারবেন। হোয়াটস ইউর নেম এন্ড ওয়্যার আর ইউ ফ্রম?
I'm Anika Tasneem Bushra. Originally, I'm from Chatpur, but I have been living in Dhaka with my family for the past few years.
What kind of music do you enjoy listening to and why?
I enjoy listening to Bangla songs and soft music. I find this genre incredibly soul-soothing, and it serves as a perfect escape after a long day of academic focus.
Do you think technology has made our life more easier or more complicated? Why?
I believe technology has made our lives easier as it grants us access to a world of knowledge and keeps us connected across the border, while it can be distracting sometimes.
What are the advantage and disadvantage of using social media?
Social media is a powerful tool for maintaining cherished connections with friends and family. However, it's a double-edged sword. It can be distracting. Sometimes it's not managed mindfully. It can become a thief of time.
How do you usually spend your weekend?
I usually spend my weekends with my family. However, I sometimes study and watch television as well. Moreover, I try to relax and prepare for the next week.
What is an important decisions you made in your life?
An important decision I have made was to prioritize my English language proficiency because I want a successful career. So I committed myself to continuous practice. This journey has not only improved my skills but has also boosted my confidence.
Do you prefer studying alone or in a group? Why?
Personally, I find individual study to be more effective as it allows me to maintain deep focus, but sometimes group study is also helpful.
What skills do young people need for the future?
In this rapidly evolving era, young people need to master digital literacy and communication skills. In addition, complex problem solving is also very important. These skills will help them achieve a successful career.
How important is learning English in today's world?
English is a primary language for global academia and international business. Fluency in English opens countless doors and opportunities and allows us to share our perspective to the world.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you like to go and why?
I would like to travel to London. I am captivated by its rich historical heritage and vibrant culture, and I think it would help me refine my English language proficiency.